Terminating an employee or dependent. Once logged in, hover over the Enrollment tab at the top of your screen. Then, click the Perform Enrollment option. Once the enrollment screen has loaded, you will see 3 different options. The second option is Changes. This is the option you will want to choose to terminate an employee or dependent. To terminate an employee or dependent, simply click on the Change Type drop-down and click the Terminate Coverage option. Once you have selected this option, you will enter a termination date for this member. This is the date that the member will no longer have coverage. Termination dates can be for past or future dates. Once you have selected the Terminate option and termination date, click Go. This will bring you to the member search page. Here, you will type in the employee or dependent information to bring up the member you would like to end coverage for. To search, you must first choose the search option, which will be employees only or dependents only. Then, enter either the last name or patient ID. You do not need to put in both the patient ID and the last name. Once this information has been input, click the Search button. The Member Search Results page will then populate with member names. From this list, choose the requested member and click the member's hyperlinked name. This will bring you to the requested member that needs to be terminated. Once you have the member's profile loaded, scroll down to the Status drop-down box and choose Terminated. Then, scroll down and click Save and Continue. This will bring you to the Summary and Confirmation page. If you would like to make any notes or comments about this termination, feel free to do so in the comments box below the member's information. Once completed, simply click Submit Request. You will then receive a confirmation message on your screen indicating the record change was submitted successfully. Need help adding a new employee or dependent? Or need to change a member's information? Check out our other how-to videos for help.